Hello everybody, this is George with Malnex Automotive. I am working on a 2001. It's a Chevy Tracker, same as the Suzuki and Geo Tracker. Same exactly thing. We have a check engine light on, as you can see, and put my scan tool on this thing. It's reading P0455. So we have evaporative emission system leak detected, large leak. What customer previously did, and he brought me some old parts. He has already replaced the charcoal canister. He also went ahead and replaced the gas cap right there. He even replaced oxygen sensors, but that has nothing to do with it. I'll show you how to go ahead and find the leak, okay? What I'm going to be using for this procedure is a smoke. I'm going to use a smoke tester, and I'm going to just demonstrate it for you in a second and explain you what we're doing. Okay, as I said, this code is very difficult to find if you don't have the right diagnostic equipment. But I went ahead and picked up this smoke machine on eBay, I think for about 150 bucks or so. You could actually make it. I didn't have time to do it, but I might even do a video how to make this one. Very simple to do. You need probably $25 worth of parts, but I'll explain to you how to do that in the future. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and try to fix this thing and find the leak. Okay, 1996 and up vehicles, for Evap they have a green cap where you got to remove the valve, like a valve stem, and you could hook into there and start smoking. But this one doesn't have it. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and take and remove a vacuum line from charcoal canister, and this vehicle has a charcoal canister located right underneath the intake right here. And I'm going to show you from another side right over here. As you can see, it's a brand new charcoal canister and he's still getting the same code. Alright, so I went ahead and disconnected one of the vacuum lines that goes from charcoal canister to the gas tank, and we're going to go ahead and put some smoke in it and see where the smoke comes out. Very easy to do. So we went ahead, have our smoker hooked up, positive and negative. It will start producing smoke, okay? And the smoke will be coming out from this hose in just a second. What I have to do, as you can see, my smoke is coming out from this side. Alright, I have to hook up air hose to it, and my smoke will be coming out from that side. Okay, you could see how this thing smoking pretty good, and you can see all the smoke coming out. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take this, and I went ahead and hooked up my hose. I'm gonna hook this up to my vacuum line that's in there, and that will show us where the leak is. So I went ahead and hooked up my line. Now I have to look for, just to see where the smoke is coming out. I do have a leak somewhere. It's a large leak, so it could be in the gas tank, it could be somewhere here by the charcoal canister, but I'm already sensing some smoke around here. So I'm gonna take my flashlight and I'm gonna try to look for that. Running my smoker for a few minutes, I could clearly see that I'm getting smoke coming out somewhere from the back of the vehicle. So I'm assuming it's a filler neck or that has a hole in it. Could be a gas tank. I'm gonna do further investigation, but I'm trying to have my camera here to show you where it's coming from. I also have another flashlight with me, and you could use a blue light to find the leak. But as a matter of fact, as you could see, the smoke is keeps rolling from this area here. Okay, we probably have a bed hose, or we'll do more investigation, we'll point it out. But we do have a smoke definitely coming from this area. I'm getting a little closer to finding my leak. I'm not sure if my light, you could see all the smoke is coming right from the area that's above the gas tank. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can get a closer look. But this machine is unbelievable. I mean, you could find a leak in no time just by hooking it up and just waiting for smoke. Guys, so I end up dropping the fuel tank. Alright, as you guys can see where my finger is, we have a leak in here, and you can see this is pretty much rusted off, and you can see how much smoke coming out of this line. So this is where the problem is. That's why we're getting a large leak. Without this Evap smoker machine, we wouldn't be able to find this, it would have taken us who knows how many days to trace it down. But with this, it took only a couple seconds to find where the problem was. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and replace this line with the new one, and that should take care of our leak. Okay, as you could see, we went ahead and replaced the line with the new one, and I just got my smoker going again, and I want to see if I have any smoke coming out. So far we're golden. We're gonna wait a couple minutes just to verify, make sure we're not getting any smoke from any other areas, because as you can see, this tank is pretty rusted. But if we're not gonna get anything else, this repair is fixed, and we'll just stay tuned for another minute or two. Okay, as you can see, we're not getting any smoke anywhere here, so we're golden. What I'm gonna do right now, put everything back together, and that's how you find a leak. Once again, this is George with Melnix Automotive. If you have any questions, shoot us an email. Otherwise, thanks for watching.